Hello there! Ready to get your Konica Minolta BizHub 266i seamlessly connected to your network? Today, we're walking through the essential steps for its IP installation, ensuring your device is ready for smooth, reliable printing. This process is key to unlocking your printer's full potential, allowing everyone on your network to access it effortlessly. First, access your BizHub 266i's control panel. Navigate to Utility or Menu Settings. Then find Network Settings or Administrator Settings. Here, you'll locate TCP IP options. Assigning a static IP address is generally recommended. This prevents future connectivity issues by ensuring its address remains constant. Carefully input the IP address, subnet mask, and gateway information. Always double-check your entries for accuracy before saving. The printer might restart or refresh its configuration. Finally, perform a quick test. Print from a connected computer to confirm everything is working perfectly. You'll see how straightforward it is to get your BizHub 266i up and running. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope this guide helps you confidently set up your Konica Minolta BizHub 266i. If you found this helpful, please consider giving us a like or subscribing for more useful tech tips.